Okay, so here we are. We're going to replace a Drobo hard disk. As you can see, I have about 200 gigs left. I have a 500, 500, 1 tera and 500. So after popular demand, we're going to replace another one. Well, popular demand of my comments. So we're gonna go down here where the Drobo lives and replace a hard disk. I need to open a brand new hard drive, courtesy of eBay, or cheap out of eBay. It's a Seagate. So it's all green, as you can see, and we are going to just make sure I can try and pull the second one, which is a 500. Here we go. Button just on that side. Doesn't want to come out. What about this one? So I need to get a good grip on the hard disk. Pull it out. It's never as easy as you wish. Let's try and pull the top one out. Here we go. It's out, and it's red, and it's hot, and it's dusty. As you can see, red in there. And up here it's saying, ooh, that does not look good. It's saying alert, alert, red alert. Red alert. Drobo is critically on low capacity. Insert a new hard disk. Let's do that, shall we? Old one, new one. Here we go. Now buy the right hard disk. Pop it in and hope for the best. You see the blue lights reduced, and it's flashing, which means it's rebuilding. Happy days, happy days. Here we go, they're flashing. And it says Drobo cannot currently protect your data against hard drive failure. Data protection is in progress, but you may continue to access your Drobo. And that's it for now. Maybe next year, another upgrade.